In our daily lives, we read text in form of headings and paragraphs. So that is how you normally structure, articles or newspapers. In HTML, a group of paragraph or a paragraph is created by encapsulating text within this tag. So the P tag, that stands for paragraphs. You have your opening and closing tag. Now, aside from paragraphs, we also have headings. So a heading is more like a bold text. So just like in newspaper, the heading is bigger and bolder. So we have different types of headings. You have H1, which is the thickest. And you have H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And you can determine which of them you want to use. Maybe you want a main heading and then a subheading, but we would go into details